If there's one thing I know for sure, it's how hard it can be to find the motivation to start exercising. I've been there, staring at my trainers, promising myself I'll start tomorrow, and tomorrow just never comes. But that changed when I learned how to create the right mindset. And today, I want to help you do the same. Welcome to Healthy World, your space for simple, sustainable wellness tips. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. The first step to finding motivation is understanding it. There are two kinds: intrinsic, which comes from within, and extrinsic, which comes from external rewards. When you connect to your why, the real reason behind your goals, everything starts to shift. Maybe it's better health, more energy, or simply feeling good in your body. Once you know your why, set clear and realistic goals. SMART goals give you structure. They're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. That structure makes staying consistent so much easier. Surrounding yourself with the right environment and people also makes a huge difference. Join a class, find a workout buddy, or create a dedicated space at home for movement. Support brings accountability, and accountability builds momentum. Of course, there will be obstacles, busy schedules, low energy, or self-doubt. Don't see them as roadblocks. See them as steps that make you stronger. Even 10 minutes of movement counts. And here's the secret: exercise should feel good. Try different activities until you find what lights you up, whether that's dancing, yoga, running, or a walk in the park. When it's fun, staying motivated feels natural. If this inspired you, like the video, subscribe to Healthy World, and tell us in the comments what your next small step will be. Let's grow stronger together.